Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thank you for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be doing my daily plan with me in my Bloom Daily Planner. This is the Notes, Goals, and To-Dos undated daily planner. So let's go ahead and jump into today. This little bookmark, by the way, is from Ashley Ann Laz. I got it from last year's Go Wild, 2019 Go Wild. Anyway, so let's recap. This was yesterday. So I did do that and that. Of course, we had lunch. We went to Walgreens. We did the closet. We did the living room. And I'm about to film this right now. So that feels great. So I'm going to start with dating. Of course, the date would be, wait, did I write the right date last? I did not. Y'all, why did nobody tell me? Anywho, so it would be the 15th of April, not March. Let me know how you prefer these videos done, because in this video I did a voiceover, but obviously I'm doing it as a talk through, like talk with me. I don't know. What do you call that? Anyways, let me know which one you prefer. So let's go ahead and start with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm just going to have a protein shake for breakfast. I am on Weight Watchers, so I do track how many points it equals as well, since I am on a weight loss journey. And then we're going to do grilled cheese. I'm going to have 2 sandwiches, basically, because I'm going to have the tuna melt and then a grilled cheese plus tomato soup. And that would be another 6 points. Now let's put points here. And for snacks, we're gonna say a fruit. Oh, you know what else I forgot to check mark? I did hit my 10,000 steps that day. And we're gonna repeat that since I do try to walk 10,000 steps a day. Today that I'm not, I'm gonna leave this blank because at the time of filming this, it is currently still the 14th. So I'm filming this the night before this plan with me. So that's just because the reason I had to do the voiceover yesterday was because my son was up and he was doing his schoolwork and it was just really loud and noisy. So I had to do a voiceover, but now he's in bed and I'm doing this the day, before. So I'm going to leave this blank, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to refer to this so I can, get on track with my day, and I'll write in something I'm grateful for. So before I can do my top 3 priorities, I have to go ahead and figure out what am I doing. So it's going to be a little similar to yesterday, where I need to pick up the lunch. With school out, our school district is providing free breakfast and lunch for the kids. And so we go and pick that up since it does help out, And then we're going to have breakfast, and then I'm going to go for my walk, my morning walk. I still need to work on the closet and the living room a little bit. I will check mark it if I did it, but like the closet, that's going to take several days. So I'm not just going to not give myself that credit, So I'll check mark it, but we're still not done. So closet needs to be done again, and so does the living room. Living room is actually almost done, but the closet is going to take way more days. And then is there anything else I need to also do? Oh, I want to bake. Yes, I'm in the mood to bake, and I want to bake some bagels. These are these 2 ingredient bagels that are pretty popular with Weight Watchers because they're only 3 points. And then also I want to bake some cookies. I'm going to post on my Instagram. I have like a list of cookies that I want to make, and they're different variations, like oatmeal and raisin, and then peanut butter oatmeal chocolate chip, and then like peanut butter oatmeal and jelly, or peanut butter and oatmeal and jelly. Yeah, like just different variations, but the main ingredients are either peanut butter cookie, like peanut butter chocolate chip cookies, or oatmeal cookies. So I have a whole list of it. I'm gonna post on my Instagram so you guys can help me figure out what should I start with, because they all sound amazing to me. And then film tomorrow's plan with me. And then let me refer to my Erin Condren really quick, just to make sure I'm not forgetting anything else that I've pre-planned for $1 Wednesday. That's it. So We also have $1 Wednesday, and I do need to post my midweek spread, of course. Okay, so then I want to time block my day, so I figure out how much time things are going to take and if I have time to take a break or if I have enough time to get everything done, which I should. So picking up the lunch, let's do at 9:30. So then breakfast will be 9:45 till 10. And then I'm going to go on a little bit of an earlier walk, which is great because there's always way too many people out when it's like 11 or 12. I don't like running into people. Then walk for an hour, and then I'll do the closets from 11 o'clock till like probably 11:30. Living room, we'll do half an hour for that as well. And then get our baking on. That might take a little while, so let's say like 12 till 2. I don't know, give myself plenty of time. Then the plan with me, the $1. See, the $1 Wednesday is like an ongoing thing. I don't need to write a time for that. The midweek I can kind of do whenever as well, although I'd probably prefer to do it in the afternoon. So I'll just put an A for afternoon. And then film tomorrow's plan with me. That's just gonna be done like later at night, obviously. So my main top priorities, now that I know what I plan on doing, bake. I definitely want to bake. I want to actually give some cookies to our next door neighbor because they're so sweet and they always like drop off groceries that I don't know why, like if they just maybe aren't going to use them or what, they just like drop off groceries randomly or like cupcakes sometimes. I'm like, you guys are so sweet. So definitely that. And then I'm going to say the closet and the living room again. Definitely, like, if I don't get to do everything else, at least if I've done these 3 things, I'll be happy. So that is it for my daily plan with me. The pen, as always, that I'm using is my tool. I kind of like thicker point. Like when I plan with my Erin Condren, I use the Pilot G205, but I like a thicker point when it comes to just like a pen and paper kind of a thing, you know? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you got some ideas or inspiration maybe. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss more of my videos. All right, I hope you all take care and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. All right, bye.